it's a tree in liquid form.
What?
Yes, the thing you're looking at is not a TV screen or a fish tank. It is a living, breathing, liquid tree. Living, breathing, yes, a tree that you can pour into a cup just like a drink. And we found the guy who invented it.
Hello, NASDAILY. I'm Dr. Ivan.
Dr. Ivan is a scientist from Serbia, and one day he saw a big problem. People in big cities want more trees to clean the air, but there's no space for trees because there are too many buildings, too many statues, and too many sidewalks. So Dr. Ivan came up with a genius idea. He decided to put a tree inside a bench. Yes, it cleans like a tree, it's green like a tree, but there are no roots and no leaves. This is liquid tree. Here is how it works. Inside this tank, there is a special mix of water and a secret ingredient called microalgae.
Microalgae are basically a type of organism that lives on water, sun, and CO2.
Microalgae are super tiny, and when they breathe inside this tank, pollution goes in and fresh air goes out.
You can put liquid tree anywhere on any surface inside or outside.
Yes, microalgae clean the air just like a tree. And the more it cleans, the greener it gets.
Liquid tree is solving the problem of pollution in urban areas that cannot accommodate traditional ways of greening, such as parks and trees.
Just one liquid tree cleans the same amount as a 20-year-old tree. So instead of waiting 20 years to grow a tree, we can plant this in one day. Now the idea is not to replace trees. We like trees. The idea is to replace benches. Yes, benches. See, this bench looks nice, but it only has one purpose: to sit on. But this bench has a tree. It's a seat. It cleans the air, and it can charge your phone. This thing is genius. Today it's in Belgrade, but soon it will be in Paris, New York, and New Delhi. Because even if we can't plant new trees in big cities, we can always find space for a liquid tree.